Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
South Africans are fantastic at this. We will only recognize you when the world does. You know what I mean? And that's I'm going to say another statement, and I really don't want this to become about politics, but I'm going to say something which I think is true. Apartheid didn't lose, it won. Apartheid didn't lose, apartheid won. The project about apartheid wasn't convincing white people that they were better or black people that they were worse. The project of apartheid was convincing black people that none amongst them was good enough. So let me tell you something. When you make it as a black person, you don't need white enemies. Black people will show you. We will. Guys, if I'm lying, I'm flying. We'll find you. You know? And today we
Ngithe ngaphambi singene odabeni engifisa mhlawumbe ukuthi sikhulume ngalo namuhla. Asiqale kulento eshovu usithembe kwayo la ngoba iyiqiniso elingeke size siliphike. Abantu abamnyama bayazondana. Bazondana ngendlela okungukuthi ayikho into enhle ongayenza bakuncome. Abantu abamnyama la bengibaziyo bala eSouth Africa, uma ungenza into enhle manje kukhona ozokhumbula ukuthi wake wenza iphutha kuphi. Ebese thatha lelo phutha lelo ezovala lento enhle osukuyenze ngaleso sikhathi. Inkinga abantu abamnyama. Ngiyafisa futhi ukubuza lo mbuzo ukuthi ukungabibikho kwa-CIC kwi-ad hoc committee ngesikhathi kwakukhona uGeneral Shadrack Sibiya. Iliphi icala alenza? Imuphi umthetho awuphula? Okwesibili futhi engifisa ukwazi ukuthi ukumentionwa kwakhe nokuthi abe nobudlelwano noGeneral Sibiya kumenza ukuthi abe naliphi icala. Ngiyafisa ukwazi. Iyangixaka lento ngoba wena kini noma kunesigebengu kini, kunodadweni, kunomzala wakho, kunobani kini owenza ubugebengu. Kodwa awukaze kwathiwa nawe ususecaleni ngoba umzala wakho wenza ubugebengu ngoba unenamba yakhe. Akaze kwashiwo njalo. Ngiyafisa ukulazi icala. Futhi sengibuke kahle. Awumdingi umlungu, lenkulumo kaThembe kwayiqiniso yonke. Awumdingi umlungu ukuze akuzonde. Bakhona abantu abamnyama bazokuzonda for free. Bazokuzonda bengakaze bakwazi. Bazokuzonda bengakaze bazihluphe ngawe. Ukuthi nje ubani wena, unani, wenzani nobani ngasikhathi sini. Bazokuzonda nje. Inkinga nje abantu ileyo.
When a person amongst us does something, rather than celebrate, we ridicule. Rather than collaborate, we compete. Rather than support, we sabotage. I thought long and hard about why is this. And then I realized something, that whether it was apartheid, colonization, the Jim Crow laws in the US, all of those systems of oppression had one singularity in communication. They said to black people, only one. So when a black person makes it, the rest of us go, shit, he's taken the seat. We go, the only way I get that seat is if I'm touching Mbegala. We don't think multiplier. So he's going, I want to make a supercar. Nobody's going, how do I make tires for a supercar? We all go, shit, now he's done it.
Ngizale video ngenxa yokudumala. Izolo ngenza ivideo la bengincoma khona. Umsebenzi omuhle ozopresenta uCIC. Lapha ezolekelela khona umuntu one-disability. Hamba nge-wheelchair. Uzombamakhela indle ezokwazi uku-accommodate idingo zakhe, akwazi ukuthola indle encane la funeka ayithole khona. Akwazi ukuthi kube nezinto azobambelela kuzo endlini ukuze akwazi ukuthi impilo yakhe ibe lula njengomuntu one-disability. Uthi uncoma into enjalo kuvela umuntu athi uJulius yena imali uyithathaphi? It's a good question. Kodwa ke wazihlupha ngokwenza research ngaye na. Awazi ukuthi uJulius own ama-properties, awazi ukuthi uJulius une-farm. uJulius ucorrupt njengabanye. Iphi proof onayo? uJulius is part of the drug syndicate and cartels. Iphi proof onayo? Uma une-proof kungani ungabhaleli iMadlanga Commission? Kungani ungabhaleli i-ad hoc committee usho ukuthi ngine-information? UJulius is part of the syndicate. Nayi information. Uhambe uyipresent eParliament sikubone. Ukuze sibone ukuthi ngempela ukhathalele lezo. Manje ngiyedumala ukuthi angathi umuntu enza into enhle. Athi omunye, ya uJulius inkinga nje yakhe ilento e-open border. Asike siye ku-open border sikhuluma ngento ayenza ngesonto. Umholi wakho lo mvotele wena angayenzile. Umholi wakho lo mvotele angazange azayenze. Akenze lutho umholi wakho lo mvotele. Wena lo mvotele akenze lutho. Into ebhlungu awukwazi ukubona into enhle enziwa omunye umuntu. Ngihlezi ngisho ngithi siyohlezi singaphansi kwezinye izizwe ngoba ziyakwazi ukubaluleka kokubambisana. Futhi izizwe ziyazi ukuthi njengoba nginamaphutha mina njengomuntu nomunye umuntu unawo amaphutha. Futhi njengoba kukhona la singavumelani khona kodwa siyavumelana kokunye. Manje akungathi yonke into oyishoyo noyenzayo ibisiyoniwa ukuthi asivumelani kule yanto. Hayi ngidumele. Sisazoqhubeka nokuhlupheka njengabantu abamnyama. Sisazoqhubeka futhi into esengiyinotisile la bakhona abantu abakuthokozelayo ukuthi uma benotho kube yibo bodwa abanotho. Yingakho makuvela umuntu osiza abantu kuthiwa sim-attack kanjani. Ngoba ku-right uma kuyibo abanotho. Ku-right kuyibo kuphela abashawela izandla. Abahlulwa ukusiza umuntu. Abahlulwa nje ukuthengela umuntu isakale empuphu. 100 and something rand, 120, 30, 40, 50 depend ukuthi umuntu udla yiphi inhlobo yempuphu. Khona umuntu osebenzayo akakaze athengele umuntu impuphu. Khona umuntu osebenzayo la izingane zakwabo azilala zingadlile. Gqoka kahle impela yena. Ya ngizodlulela odabeni lana namuhla. Kodwa ngithi angidlule kule ndaba.
I struggle to understand why I can land in Paris, get on a train and end up in Brussels. But if I want to move from Joburg to Gaborone, I must produce a passport. Who's the genius that came up with the scheme? You know, the Europeans are so quick to tell us that we can't bundle ourselves into a single block, but they've done it. We need to convene the leaders of this continent to talk about this visa story.
Angizukuphawula lutho ngale nkulumo eqeda kushiwo uVusi la. Kodwa ukhuluma something eyenzekayo. That's why kuthiwa United States of America. Ngoba zonke le indawo ihlangene abadinga ama-passport ukumove around kodwa kunomthetho. Ungumuntu othanda South Africa. Angivumi indaba ama-illegal immigrants. Angivumi. Kodwa kufuneka sikhulume ngama-border ngelinye ilanga. Abantu abakabi ready ukuthi sibe nale ngxoxo. Funa sibuyele emuva kwehistory ukuthi abuyapi lama-border. Afika nobani, inhloso yabo kwakuyini, enzani. Sizokhuluma ngelinye ilanga hayi namhlanje. Sizokhuluma ngelinye ilanga. Kodwa manga kuyicabange iAfrika. Uyicabange nje iAfrika ukuthi eNigeria kune-oil. Uma ngathiwa i-oil la ile kuthiwa i-oil engahluziwe. ISouth Africa ithole eNigeria ayikhokhi nix for ukususa i-oil eNigeria ilethe la. Kungavula amathuba angakanani omsebenzi. Ne-price ingabiza kanjani kunale oil etholakala le phesheya kwezilwandle ukuthi makusuka impilo is-affect. Kodwa ke asikakabi ready ukuba naleyo conversation. Asikakabi ready. Asiyeke nje siyibekele eceleni. Asingene kodabeni lanamuhla. Katlehong Israel vehicle crime operation. 4 suspects arrested, sought motor vehicle recovered, signal jamming devices recovered. Units that were involved: SAPS Gauteng Highway Patrol, SAPS DPC Tracking Team, CAB Specialized Operation, Tracker Connect. Information was received regarding the suspects involved in theft of high-end motor vehicles that are stolen from vehicle dealership. As per information received, the team was informed that the suspect committed theft of a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado from a vehicle dealership, Toyota Woodmead. The team were deployed on the intelligence that was gained. Premises in Katlehong on the East Rand was identified. The operational plan was executed and premise was raided. 4 suspects were contained and arrested while stripping the vehicle. A military-grade signal jamming device was found inside the vehicle, switched on. Multiple exhibits, including various tools and false registration plates, were found. Arrest and seizure, 4 suspects were arrested. Toyota Land Cruiser Prado sought as per Sentin SAPS theft. Kusho ukuthi technology iya-improve ngempela futhi nabe-tracker sebekhuphula amasokisi. Uma ngabe bekwazile ukutrack imoto bayithole ukuthi kuphi. Kodwa ijema ibe i-on. I-signal jammer ibe i-on. Ukhombisa ukuthi iyathuthuka kakhulu-ke i-technology. Asidlule odabeni lesibili engicabanga ukuthi lokugcina. 2 Chinese employers arrested in Mandeni for employing illegal foreigner, including a 14-year-old girl. 47 illegal immigrants were also arrested during the operation. Mandeni local municipality officials, led by Mayor Councillor Mdlalose, conducted a high-impact inspection on the 28th of October 2025, resulting in the arrest of 2 Chinese national employers and 47 undocumented workers. The operation focused on labor laws compliance and child protection violations. 1 employer has been charged with child labor for employing a 14-year-old girl. The arrest underscores authorities' commitment to crack down on illegal employment and exploitation. Officials from the Department of Employment and Labor issued a multiple contravention and prohibitions note to the 2 companies. These notices restrict unlawful business operation until compliance is achieved. The successful raid highlights the government's continued effort to protect vulnerable workers and ensure labor laws are enforced in the Mandeni area, sending a clear message that illegal employment and child labor will not be tolerated. Le ndawo yaseMandeni ngiyacabanga ukuthi kulonyaka mhlawumbe sokwesi4 noma okwesi5 kufika ikhulu kahulumeni ekumakhampani zahlukene kutholakala abantu abangama illegal immigrants besebenza khona. Operation yokuqala ngiyayikhumbula ukuthi kwakukhona uPremier waKwaZulu Natal okubaba uThamintuli lapha ihamba khona namaphoyisa laba bathi mabefika khona nje labantu abangama illegal immigrants babe zama ukweqa bebaleka. Sibonile futhi iMK Labor Desk ihlasela kulezi ndawo ibathola labantu. Kuyakhuthaza ke mawubona abaphathi bethu noma abaphathi bezwe beyisukumela lolu daba ngoba le 47 yabantu esebenza lapha ya ivimba imisebenzi yabantu abawu47 base South Africa ofanele ngabe yibona abasebenzayo. Mina nawe kasidibane kwivideo elandelayo ngiyacela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho comment section. Ngiyabonga.